that he has to be respectful. Okay. Yes, he has got to be respectful to you and very kind. Yes. So someone's son is just there waiting that for that day. Yes. Do you have a son, an old son? You can be my in-law. You can be my mother-in-law. You know. Dimitra, you have an old son. Do you have an old son? No, I don't understand good. Like you have a son, you have one daughter. Oh, okay. Oh my God, one daughter, mm, and is married. Oh, so you are alone. You're just alone in the house. Oh my God. But you need someone. Are you staying alone in house? Dimitra, you got to be. So you have your grandkids. You have your grandkids there. I live with my brother. Oh, okay. That's good. Don't stay alone in house. Don't stay. It's not good. So do you still have your mother, your mom and dad? My daughter is pregnant. Oh, wow. Ah, safe delivery. Pray for her so that she can deliver safely. Prayers to her. Yes, my mom and dad all dead. Oh my God, that's bad. That's bad. Mm, but it's okay. That's life. Oh, as cancer. That's bad. But it's okay. That's life. Yeah, we only live once. We only live once. Just enjoy when you're still alive. Enjoy life when you're still alive. Yes, life is too short. Life is unfair many times. Yes, it is unfair. But we have nothing to do. We came, we have to live. Okay? In this on this earth, on this planet, we are just visitors. Yes, we are just visitors. We will live. We will live. We will all live. Yes. Okay. But I say thank God. Yes. You have to be grateful. He's the one who gives and takes. Yes, you can't blame him. Yes, he knows why he did that. He knows why he did that. So I also don't have a mother. Yes, I don't have uncle. Just this time must go. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for staying around. I really appreciate your conversation, your chat. Oh my God,